नसीरुद्दीन शाह और कल्कि की फिल्म वेटिंग की स्क्रीनिंग में शामिल होने के लिए स्टार्स की लगी लाइन। नसीर साहब और कल्कि इस मौके पर बाइक पर सवार होकर स्क्रीनिंग में आए। फिल्म वेटिंग दो लोगों के बीच एक विशेष रिश्ते के बारे में है। दोनों के बीच अस्पताल में दोस्ती होती है। उनके जीवन साथी कोमा में हैं। ये फिल्म दुख के बारे में है, लेकिन साथ ही उससे भिड़ने और आशा के बारे में भी है। कल्कि ने बताया कि जब मैंने इस फिल्म का स्क्रीन प्ले पढ़ा तभी ये तय कर लिया था कि वो इस फिल्म में जरूर काम करेंगी। तब नसीर फिल्म में नहीं थे।
I've seen the film before, yeah, I think it's a very beautiful film. It's truthful and relatable, and yeah.
Okay, Talki ma'am, how did you go about the researches? I mean, any preparation or something else?
A lot of preparation was actually sitting with my director Anu and rewriting some of the bits of Tara's dialogues. Making her more relatable, also more like a Bombay girl and stuff. So we did that together. And then, readings with Nasir sir just during the set. And it was quite a, we didn't do a lot of intellectual talking. It was just practice and work together.
After watching this film, what do you feel? कुछ कमी रहेगी, कुछ आप ऐसा सोचती है कि वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा बेटर हो सकता था, एक्टिंग को लेके, सीन्स को लेके?
क्या बेटर हो सकता है?
और बेटर हो सकता था?
हमेशा ऐसे सोचती हूँ हर फिल्म के बाद that I can do better, I can do better, which is why I keep acting. अगर मैं perfect थी तो मैं रुक जाती हूँ ना acting.
You just won a national award. How are you feeling about it? And
I feel great. I feel really superb.
and we really hope we get an award for this as well.
Thanks.
And what you diseases the audience, like people think that there's a chemistry between Shiv and Tara. So
Yeah, I think there's a very beautiful relationship between Shiv and Tara, and it's a very unconventional, unusual relationship. You don't usually see a young woman and older man coming together on screen. And it's not of course, it's not your conventional romantic relationship, but there is love between the two, and they find a support and comfort in each other.
Okay, Kalki, how did you time? How much did you time? कितना टाइम आपने लिया इस कैरेक्टर को तैयार करने के लिए? How much time did you take?
We didn't. We did like a little bit of workshopping, probably for a few weeks, 2-3 weeks before the film, and then the film itself took about 30 days shoot.
फिल्म की रिलीज से पहले क्या नसीरुद्दीन शाह को लगता है डर? इसके जवाब में नसीर साहब का कहना था कि वो ये जरूर चेक करते हैं कि जो फिल्म वो कर रहे हैं उससे जनता का रिस्पॉन्स कैसा मिलता है।
Any time you get a part which is so well written, I believe that the actor's work is practically done. Then all the actor has to do is to embody the character. It's really the parts which have not been well written which one has had to struggle against. But most of in fact, all the movies in which where I feel the performances have been successful, the credit largely goes to the writing and to the guidance given to the actor. And this is the kind of movie I feel particularly close to because of the nature of its in every way, the nature of its budget, the nature of its subject, and the nature of the way it is made. It's very easy to to see a movie and to just dismiss it or to say that you like it, but I think it's important if films like this are to continue to be made, that all of you as viewers should seek something more than just entertainment in a movie. And I'm not saying that every movie must carry a cosmic message or something like that, or necessarily make a political statement. Not at all. It's just got to be an engrossing and stimulating experience. And to make a movie like this, it's very brave of Preeti to come forward and back a subject like this, which doesn't have songs, which doesn't have any fight scenes, doesn't have any item numbers, it doesn't have any popular actors. It's good that all of you are here and so appreciative. It's also important to remember that it's really a film has been made. This film under really difficult, straitened circumstances, and it's because of the backing of a courageous producer and the vision of a director who desperately wanted to make it, that all of us got together and all these energies came together, and I think it's been successful.
तो चलिए एक बार उन लोगों से भी पूछ लेते हैं जिन्होंने लिया फिल्म वेटिंग का मजा।
You know, as Nazir sir said, the magic is in the words. I live in Bangalore, so you get pages of scripts to audition for, and I just read one page of this character, and I was like, hook or crook, I'm doing this part because I felt the part, and this movie, this is the first time I watched the film, and I must share a personal story with you. I grew up in a very close-knit community in West Africa, and there were 5-6 families. So I've grown up with 5 dads and 5 mums, 5 families. So I lost someone very close. My close friend's dad passed away, and he was in a very similar situation. He had gone in for a surgery, and it didn't work out, and the family was in a state they didn't know what to do with that situation, and it's amazing. It's very emotional for me right now because this is that moment when both their characters were confronted with the truth that these people are not coming back, and we'll have to live on with memories of them. I can't say more. The beauty in the writing, the beauty in the filmmaking, it's just such a beautiful, sincere experience for me. I'm thankful. I'm really thankful for being part of this.
When I read the script, you realize that I related to it in some parts because I've been through a similar experience. And I think everybody here relates to bits and pieces of all of it. And it's not really a particular character, but it's those emotions, those feelings that you go through when you go through circumstances like this. And I think, there are so many emotions here. It's not just there's grief, there's a little bit of happiness, there's a little bit of humor, and that's how you normally deal in everyday life. So I related to the emotions a lot. And I think, and emotions of characters, all of them.
I was in a hospital when my dad was in a coma, actually, 10 years back, and I was very young. And I had to, so what that experience actually taught me was what I realized was, grief is not like one homogeneous mass. And the fact that there were so many things that were happening, and I joined a yoga class in the hospital, and I used to go and watch Friends, and there were so many, and I had all these friendships, and I used to so this was pre-Facebook days, so and I think that kind of stayed with me for the longest time. And then I think obviously I found the courage to say that this is a space I want to kind of go into. But after that, like anything, right now it's a story about these two people. It's not a personal account of me, or it's not autobiographical at all.
वेटिंग एक उम्र दराज मर्द और यंग लड़की की लव स्टोरी है। व्यूवर्स को ये फिल्म कितना पसंद आएगी ये पता चलेगा आने वाले दिनों में फिल्म के बिजनेस से।